Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing and review of the Lefree Expandable garden hose. You can get this product on Amazon for about $50. Check out the link in the description. The garden hose comes with a spray nozzle, a hose clamp, 3 replaceable rubber rings, and an instruction manual. My first impression is very positive. It looks like this is a good quality garden hose. The spray nozzle has 10 adjustable spray settings. The hose is easy to connect and the spray nozzle is very convenient to use. I tested the garden hose for a few days and I think it's a very good product. It's lightweight and easy to store, and the spray nozzle works pretty good. So if you are looking for an expandable garden hose, which is leak-proof, lightweight, and comes with an adjustable spray nozzle, I would recommend the Lefree Expandable garden hose. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.